Hi everyone, my name is Ali. I am a technician here at Vancouver Laser, and I am going to talk to you about the Fotona 4D. What is the Fotona 4D treatment, you ask? Well, that's what I'm here to tell you. It is a treatment that is safe for all skin types, and anyone really could be a candidate. This treatment is treating 4 depths into the skin using a combination of the Fotona treatments that we already offer combined into one ultimate treatment. So the first step is starting with the intra-oral tightening. So it is done inside the mouth using our erbium laser to treat the marionette lines and the nasal labial folds. So it's quite comfortable, feels like little warm water droplets, and it's really great for tightening from within. The second step is our Frac3 treatment. So it's targeting blemishes and breakouts, and it's using our Nd:YAG laser. This can feel a little spicy here and there, but it's quite tolerable and really great for those blemishes and breakouts. Our third step of the treatment is once again using our Nd:YAG laser, and this is our bulk heating of the tissue. So this is skin tightening from the outside, treating the lower face and the neck area. This feels like you're lying under the sun in Mexico, quite comfortable. Might feel a little hot spot, but very nice and comfortable. The last step of the treatment is customizable. We're back using our erbium laser. We have either our Vegas peel step, or we could go more aggressive and use our pixelated treatment. The Vegas peel will make your skin look very glowy, it'll feel nice and tight, and it will cause a delayed exfoliation in the skin. So it will start to flake and be a little bit dry in a matter of 2 to 3 days. But after that, you're left with this fresh, beautiful, glowing skin. If we opt into the pixelated treatment, you're looking at downtime of about 24 hours of redness. We are causing little channels into the skin with the power of the laser, so it'll feel quite hot, like you have a bit of a sunburn. This one will feel a little bit more uncomfortable. This one does work with deeper fine lines and textural issues a little bit more aggressively than the Vegas peel does. But both are really great, so your choice on what you want to do. Either way, the Fotona 4D treatment is one of the best ones because we are essentially getting 4 treatments in one. Minimize your time, but maximize your results.